Good job, the boy that got a main bagger. We're back with another adventure. So in this video, it's just gonna be like a little quick short video. I had some clips in my phone of the Iowa 80 truck stop. So I'm basically just gonna give y'all a quick little tour and show y'all what it's like. Yeah, it's pretty much it. Just trying to show y'all some footage that I had collected over the course of driving, and I just want to share it with you. But anyway, if I don't make another clip or another outro, like, comment, share, subscribe. Go subscribe to my people. It's SlimePack 392, and that's SlimePack_392. And my boy Benji Sinclair TV. That's BENJII Sinclair TV. So, anyways, like I said, if I don't record an outro, y'all be easy and catch y'all in the next one. Over here in Walcott, Iowa, at the famous Iowa 80 truck stop. About to see what's to it. Got the truck right there in the glass over there. Quick interruption of the video. I was over here editing and watching the movie. Got that John Wick 2 going on over here. Anyway, I meant to say in the intro that this was filmed at like maybe 2, 3 in the morning or something like that. I don't know, some people call that late or early, whatever. Anyway, so I was trying to talk like super quiet, you know what I mean? And it was just kind of awkward walking around there with hardly nobody in there and all the employees just looking at you record. So excuse the volume of my voice. Man, turn your TV up, turn your phone up, turn your headphones up, whatever. Hopefully you can hear it. If you can't, then I apologize in advance. But yeah, I just want to throw that in there, kind of let y'all know what was going on and why the volume was so low. So anyway, that was all. Let's get back to it. As big as on the order. Got the whole freight line in here. Tell you, man, trucker's paradise. Got everything you need. Goes all the way up there. Got everything. What truck stop you know got mattresses and beds for you? Even got a pee jug. If you like music, they got something for you too. You got guitars and everything. Keep you busy on that truck. Got a whole restaurant for you. You got the fireplace and everything in there. Iowa 80 food court. Need some services, they got it all for you. 15 showers. Movie theater. Driver's lounge. Oh, theater's closed. Laundry. Plenty of laundry. Good God. A whole lot of laundry for you. It's like a whole laundry mat. Here's the barbershop. Whole barbershop. There's the dentist office. You can get stuff custom made, t-shirts, hat, whatever. They get it embroidered for you right down there. Iowa 80 truck style.